How AI can revolutionize small agriculture businesses. Agriculture is the backbone of many rural communities, with small farmers working tirelessly to provide food for their families and the world. But challenges like unpredictable weather, pest infestations, and limited resources can make this a tough job. What if there was a way to lighten the load and make farming more efficient, smart, and profitable? In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence (AI) is stepping in as an affordable, practical ally for small-scale farming. Whether you're looking to boost your harvest, save money, or make your farming more environmentally friendly, AI has something to offer. Let's dive into how AI can revolutionize the way small farms operate. Before we explore its benefits, let's break down what AI really is. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines or software programs designed to mimic human intelligence. This means they can process data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. But don't worry, AI doesn't involve robots running your farm or overly complex systems. Instead, think of it as tools that help you make better farming decisions. These tools are becoming more accessible and are tailored for practical tasks that small farmers encounter every day. Small-scale farmers face a unique set of challenges: limited resources, unpredictable weather, and difficulties controlling pests or maintaining soil health. AI can help overcome these hurdles by providing cost-effective solutions to make farming more precise and efficient. For example, imagine being able to predict when rain is coming so you can sow seeds at the right time or detect pests in your crops before they spread. AI takes the guesswork out of farming, helping you save time, money, and effort. So, why should small farmers pay attention? Because AI offers practical, easy-to-use tools that can make a real difference in your yields, expenses, and overall success. Let's look at how AI can be applied to everyday farming activities. Weather forecasting: AI tools can provide precise weather data to help you plan watering, planting, and harvesting. By knowing what's coming, you can avoid costly losses due to unexpected rains or droughts. Pest control: AI-powered apps can identify pests or diseases early by simply analyzing pictures of affected crops. This allows you to take immediate action before the problem spreads. Soil analysis: AI tools use data to assess soil health and fertility. With this information, you know exactly which nutrients are needed, reducing the cost and waste associated with fertilizers. Water management: AI-based irrigation systems can determine when and how much water your crops truly need, preventing overwatering and cutting down on water bills. These are just a few examples of how AI can support your work on the farm without making things complicated. One of the biggest concerns for small farmers is managing expenses. AI not only increases productivity but also helps cut costs in multiple ways. For example, you can use mobile apps or sensors that are affordable and designed for small-scale operations. AI tools optimize resource use, meaning you use just the amount of water, fertilizer, or pesticide your crops actually need. Early detection of crop diseases or infestations through AI can save substantial money that might otherwise be spent on heavy treatments. In short, these tools help you make better decisions, wasting less and earning more. If you're new to technology, adopting AI may seem intimidating. But remember, you don't have to implement everything at once. Here's how you can get started. Start small. Begin with simple AI-powered apps that can identify pests or provide local weather updates. Learn basics, follow tutorials and guides to understand the key features of the tools you use. Add on gradually. Once you get comfortable, you can try installing low-cost soil sensors or explore AI-based irrigation systems. This gradual approach will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed while reaping the benefits of smarter farming practices. AI's potential is already being realized by small farmers across the globe. Let's look at an example. In rural India, a small vegetable farmer started using an AI-powered app that helps identify crop diseases through images. By catching pests early, he was able to save his organic vegetables from being ruined and significantly increase his profits at the local market. Similarly, farmers in Africa have used AI-driven irrigation systems to conserve water. With more resources saved, they have been able to expand their farms and plant more crops. These stories show that AI isn't just for large corporations, it's here for small-scale farming too. One concern many farmers have is that AI seems too advanced or complex. The truth is, most tools available today are built to be user-friendly and require no advanced technology skills. For example, apps that identify pests are as easy as taking a photo of your plants. Weather forecasting AI tools simply send updates to your phone. Sensors collect data automatically, and you only need to follow simple recommendations. Don't let the terminology fool you. AI tools are designed to make farming easier, not harder. It's normal to have concerns about adopting something new. Farmers often worry about investment costs, losing the human touch, or struggling to adapt to modern technologies. But here's the reassurance. Many AI tools are low-cost or free to start with. AI doesn't replace your expertise, it enhances it, acting as an extra helping hand. Training and resources are available to get you comfortable with using AI. Approach AI as a tool to help you, not something to fear. When more farmers adopt AI, the benefits extend to the entire community. Improved yields mean better food security. Efficient use of water and fertilizers reduces the environmental impact of farming. By working together and sharing knowledge, farmers can form AI-driven networks to pool resources, support each other, and collectively thrive in a competitive market. Climate change has made farming more unpredictable than ever. AI can help you adapt by predicting weather patterns so you can better navigate extreme conditions. Encouraging precision agriculture to avoid wasteful use of fertilizers and pesticides. With AI, farming becomes part of the solution to climate change rather than contributing to the problem. AI can benefit small livestock farmers too. Sensors are now widely available to monitor animal health, track their feeding patterns, and predict breeding cycles. Timely alerts about potential health issues save farmers time, money, and effort in managing animals. Worried about the cost of AI? There are many tools designed for smaller budgets. Free or low-cost pest identification apps. Affordable sensors to monitor soil conditions or water levels. AI tools available offline, catering to areas with limited internet access. Start with what feels manageable. AI adapts to all scales of farming. AI isn't just about solving today's problems. As more farmers embrace this technology, it lays the foundation for long-term growth. Farmers can gain insights into profitable crops, reduce post-harvest losses, and compete effectively with larger farms. AI presents a unique opportunity to engage younger generations in farming. Youth-led farms can bring fresh energy to agriculture by effectively blending traditional knowledge with modern technology to build sustainable businesses. AI also empowers women farmers by providing accessible tools tailored to their farm-specific needs. Encouraging women to adopt these technologies further strengthens communities and drives inclusive development. Now it's time to take the first step. Explore an AI tool that meets your needs, whether it's an app, a sensor, or an online resource. Reach out to local organizations or government programs to learn how to access training or subsidies. Start small and stay curious. Embracing AI now will prepare your farm for a brighter, sustainable future. Artificial intelligence may sound like a fancy innovation, but at its core, it's a simple tool created to help farmers succeed. By taking advantage of these advancements, small farmers can overcome challenges, reduce costs, and create better livelihoods not just for themselves, but for their entire community. A future with AI in agriculture isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting to be explored. Take the first step today. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.